sure you all must have carried away with the energetic and lively performance, and the tone of music must have touched everyone's heart. Give them a huge round of applause, everyone. Now, we extend a cordial welcome to our most honorable Vice President, Mr. Madan Lal Goyal, for gracing the occasion and having some joyful moment today. May I now request our Honorable Principal an idol of knowledge, experience and inspiration to all of us. Madam Neelam Mahana, to formally welcome the distinguished guest of the day and present the annual report.
Take pride in how far you've come and have faith in how far you can go. Celebrate what you accomplish and raise the bar each time you succeed. Honorable Chief Guest, Mr. Kapil Dev Agarwal, Minister of State, Skill Development and Vocational Education, Independent Charge, Government of UP, and his gracious and most revered mentors, Mr. Sumansh Prakash and Mr. Neeraj Kumar ji, and honorable members of governing body, Mrs. Arushi Jain, President, Mr. Madan Lal Goyal, Vice President, and Honorary Secretary, Mr. Akash Kumar, and eminent management committee members, Mr. Ankur Kumar, Mr. Mulchan, Mr. Mahindra Kumar Kedia, Mr. Ramut Swaroop, Mr. Shiv Sangal, Mr. Vikas Swaroop, our esteemed director, Mrs. Chanchal Saxena, distinguished guests, dignified officers of Muzaffarnagar District Administration, fellow principals, members of press, and worthy parents. A very pleasant evening to one and all. It's indeed a beautiful evening and all set in the delighted frame of mind. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you to the second Founders Day celebration of the SD Public School. At the very outset, I pay homage to our great patriarchs, late Shri Mahindra Kumar ji, late Shri Deepak Kumar ji, late Shri Gulshan Rai Jain ji, late Shri Madan Mohan Lal ji, whose souls continue to guide and inspire us. Now, may I take this opportunity to introduce our revered chief guest of the day. Our chief guest for the occasion is Mr. Kapil Dev Agarwal, Minister of State, Government of UP. Sir has been a member of 16th and 17th Legislative Assembly of UP since 2016 and is a member of BJP. Sir has also served as a chairman of Nagar Palika Parishad, Muzaffarnagar. He has been appointed as Minister of State in Shri Yogi Adityanath ji led UP government. Sir, your benign presence has surely added grandeur to this show and will prove to be a source of inspiration for the entire SDPS fraternity. Ladies and gentlemen, our guest of honor, Mr. Abhishek Yadav, IPS SSP, couldn't be here today because of some administrative priorities, and maybe very shortly he'll be able to join us the moment he is free. The SDPS was launched last year on February 2nd under the auspices of ST Association. And I take it as a matter of pride that in second year too, we got an overwhelming response from the society, which clearly proves that we have been able to sustain the trust that they repose in the brand name of ST. Perseverance brings success. This is the guiding philosophy at the SD Public School. It is the power that brings us closer to the success, the ability to keep on moving. Annual Day is the occasion to celebrate a time, to look back with a pride, and to look ahead with vision. The vision cherished is vision realized. This maxim goes apt with a flourishing institution emerging as one of the technically potent and rich haven for learning. The SD Public School is growing steadily with rapid increase in strength, which has necessitated the construction of a new building, our primary wing. Ladies and gentlemen, you must have seen this building, which is under construction, and very soon it will be inaugurated. The school is grateful to the management who has been ensuring the rapid acceleration in the growth of our school by providing us support to create an inviolable campus infrastructure. The project of spacious auditorium for multifarious school activities is in the pipeline. We at TSDPS provide quality education to our students through best academic facilities and churn out citizens who are inspiring leaders with humane touch. To ensure that our students are competent enough to face the challenges of the contemporary world, we enrich them with Students Development Program. Our students have attended various workshops like Students Solar Ambassador Workshop, Cyber Security Workshop. They've participated in Model United Nations Conference, etc. We also have successfully conducted various Olympiads and aptitude tests, thereby enabling them explore beyond the classroom and the textbook. Travel expands your horizons, and school life cannot be completed without fun-of trips and excursions. Our school organized a trip for all the students right from class LKG to class 8 to different picnic spots, and a staff trip was organized as well. Learning is a never-ending process. Staying updated is the key to success in any field, especially in education. Our teachers constantly strive to stay updated by attending workshops organized by CBSE and various other training programs. Conforming to the guidelines from Directorate of Education and CBSE, and to disseminate the message of the better habitable environment free of pollution, various rallies were organized by our students to spread awareness among society. Annual function is a colossal citadel which grooms the children, fostering their cultural sensibilities, chiseling talents, strengthening their social and emotional bonding, and channelizing their immense energies and potential. The STIs are going to transport you to an exclusive world through two thought-provoking ballets. One will be presented by our juniors and the other by our seniors, based on the same theme, 8 prayers, let's discover the road to peace. I'm sure that this exquisite fiesta of accolades, felicitation and vaudeville will envelop each one of you into the spirit of achievements, celebrations and jubilations. Towards the end, I extend my sincere thanks to our patron, Mr. Akash Kumar, whose continuous support to our ideology of education has enabled the school to come this far. I further extend my heartfelt gratitude to my mentor, Director, the SD Public School, Mrs. Chanchal Saxena, for her consistent guidance and support at every step of the way. She has truly been the pillar of strength and our motivating force to be better day by day. I further express my cordial thanks to my devoted teachers, admin staff and supporting staff who have been toiling relentlessly for the past many days continuously so that we present a spectacular spectacle before you and make this occasion worth cherishing. My heartfelt thanks to the parents of our students who have shown their unflinching faith in us by giving us the profound opportunity to transform their children to face the future challenges. At the end, I would just say, life will only change when you are committed to your dreams. Your life is your message to the world. Make sure it's inspiring. The list of plethora of activities, trips, and excursions is endless. Ladies and gentlemen, now you're going to witness the glimpse of co-curricular activities that have been conducted till date. Thank you all for the patient hearing. Thank you. May God bless us all and may peace prevail. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, you just had a glance on co-curricular activities conducted at the SG Public School.
I am so happy to announce that Mr. Neeraj Kumar, Mr. Ankur Kumar, Mr. Shishir Singhal, member of SD Association, is amongst us. We extend a heartfelt welcome on the behalf of entire the SD Public School family. A heartfelt welcome to our distinguished guest, Mr. Rajendra Saxena. He has just joined us. Thank you so much for coming, everybody.
Now, let's move on to the world of little ones. खेलने की मस्ती थी और दिल मस्ताना था, ना रोने की वजह थी, ना दर्द छुपाना था। एक प्यारी सी मुस्कान थी, ना हंसने का बहाना था। वो नादान बचपन भी कितना सुहाना था। Now, you are going to witness a lovely, juvenile and enigmatic performance by our juniors from kindergarten to grade 2.
Dear spectators, you need to know that these small children have really worked so hard to give a beautiful presentation right in front of their parents. They are just in between the age group of 3.5 to 7 years. Coming on the stage at this tender age requires the nerves of steel and grit. So please, not only for your own child, but we need to hear the thunder of the claps for each and every person who has poured his or her heart to make this event more graceful and gracious.
तेरी रहमतों का कैसे करूं मैं बखाना शुक्राना तेरा शुक्राना तेरा शुक्राना तेरी रहमतों का कैसे करूं मैं बखाना शुक्राना तेरा शुक्राना तेरा शुक्राना तेरा शुक्राना तेरा शुक्राना तेरी रहमतों का कैसे करूं मैं बखाना शुक्राना तेरा शुक्राना तेरा शुक्राना तेरी रहमतों का कैसे करूं मैं बखाना शुक्राना तेरा शुक्राना तेरा शुक्राना तेरा शुक्राना तेरा शुक्राना
Shukrana, Krishna, Shukrana means saying thank you. But saying thank you to whom, Bhaiya? We are thanking God, the Lord Almighty. Yes, Anjali, you are right. Look at this heavenly beauty of nature. God has given us this beautiful world. We are thanking because God has given us so much. Look at these flowers, trees, butterflies and bumblebees. Bumblebees? What are bumblebees? Look, Vaibhav, these are bumblebees. And do you know, Vaibhav, इसको भंवरा भी कहते हैं.
तारा वो तारा हर तारा, ये तारा वो तारा हर तारा, देखो जिसे भी लगे प्यारा, ये तारा वो तारा हर तारा, ये सब साथ में जो है रात में तो जगमगाया आसमान सारा, ये सब साथ में जो है रात में तो जगमगाया आसमान सारा, जगमग तारे दो तारे नौ तारे सौ तारे जगमग सारे, हर तारा है शरारा। सब साथ में जो है रात में तो जगमगाया आसमान सारा। जगमग तारे दो तारे नौ तारे सौ तारे जगमग सारे, हर तारा है शरारा।
Talking about Mowgli? Mowgli? Who's that? Mowgli? Come all of you, I will show you Mowgli winning family.
अपलोड हम कर देंगे, ये इसीलिए बनवा रहे हैं। प्लीज़ आप मेंटेन करें, पीछे वालों को भी देखें। आपको इतनी दूर से क्या दिखेगा? ये इसीलिए लगा हुआ है।
पेड़ों में ताली बजी, पत्तों की सीटी बजी, अजी हंसी मची बच्चों की। मोर की लहरी हिरन सुनहरी उछल रहा है। जंगल जंगल बात चली है, पता चला है। जंगल जंगल बात चली है, पता चला है। अरे चड्डी पहन के फूल खिला है, फूल खिला है। अरे चड्डी पहन के फूल खिला है, फूल खिला है। जंगल जंगल पता चला है, चड्डी पहन के फूल खिला है। जंगल जंगल पता चला है, चड्डी पहन के फूल खिला है। सब सुनते हैं कान लगाकर। खान जब बोले अपनी पूंछ उठाकर। कालू काला बघीरा लेकिन दूर खड़ा है। अरे चड्डी पहन के फूल खिला है, फूल खिला है। अरे चड्डी पहन के फूल खिला है, फूल खिला है। जंगल जंगल पता चला है, चड्डी पहन के फूल खिला है। जंगल जंगल पता चला है, चड्डी पहन के फूल खिला है। Rain, stars, flowers, and bumblebees. Everything is so beautiful, right, Anushka? God created all beautiful things in the world. But do you know which is the most beautiful creation of God? Butterflies. No. Vaibhav, do you know which is the most beautiful creation of God? Flowers. No, my dear. We humans are the most beautiful creation of God. He sent us on earth to spread love and to take care of all the things He had created. Didi, I am not getting it. Come, I will show you something.
गॉड अल्लाह और भगवान ने बनाया एक इंसान। आया ज़मीन पे लेके वो ऊपर वाले का फरमान। वो दोस्तों का है दोस्त, यारों का है यार, जिसका नाम सुन के कांपे हर शैतान। गॉड अल्लाह और भगवान ने बनाया एक इंसान। आया ज़मीन पे लेके वो ऊपर वाले का फरमान। वो दोस्तों का है दोस्त, यारों का है यार, जिसका नाम सुन के कांपे हर शैतान। गॉड अल्लाह और भगवान ने बनाया एक इंसान।
What are you doing? Yes, and Vedant, just now we have said we are here to take care of nature and you are destroying it. Janvi, I have seen people throwing garbage on road, spitting here and there. Even they have not spared the rivers and the lakes. What happened? Janvi, I am not able to breathe properly. What's happening? The air has become polluted. It is affecting us. See now, they are playing with your future.
काला काला आसमां है, बादल भी मैला है, खुदता है दम यहाँ जो धुआं धुआं फैला है। काला काला आसमां है, दम यहाँ जो धुआं धुआं फैला है। फैक्ट्री हो, केमिकल हो, चूल्हा हो या कार हो, पोल्यूशन की मार से बच्चे क्यों बीमार हो। चलाता है बहुत का काला बादल आसमां में छाता है, धुआं फैला के तू खुशियां मनाता है, फसलें कटी खेतों में आग क्यों लगाता है। चल हवा आने दे, जरा हवा आने दे।
पैदा होती हरे हरे ट्री में, कुदरत देती हवा हवा फ्री में, हमको उसका मोल नहीं है जो भी हमें मिले इसी में।
मत घूम तू ऐसे हरी में, हवाओं को दे जगह भरी में, ऐसा ना हो जिंदगी खो जाए अपनी बेकार के इस हड़बड़ी में। चल हवा आने दे, जरा हवा आने दे। हवा आने दे, ताज़ी हवा आने दे, थोड़ी हवा आने दे, ताज़ी हवा आने दे।
Oh, you are coming from a long time. Have you consulted any doctor? What doctor? What will he do? See the atmosphere. It is so much polluted. Aradhya, you are just complaining. Have you done anything about it? What can I do? My dear Aradhya, he who plants a tree, branches हो। धरती पर एक पेड़ तो अपलोड करके देखिए, बादलों के सैकड़ों झुंड आएंगे लाइन करने के लिए।
मिलजुल के हम वृक्ष लगाए, धरती का श्रृंगार करें।
मिलजुल के हम वृक्ष लगाए, धरती का श्रृंगार करें।
पर्यावरण को बचाने हम, पर्यावरण को बचाने हम, जन जन को तैयार करें। कहते हैं ये वेद पुराण, एक वृक्ष 10 पुत्र समान।
You gotta save the earth, oh yeah. You gotta save the earth, oh yeah. All you gotta do is plant more trees. Save our earth.
children with your claps. It was an incredible performance by our juniors. Sometimes, deep knowledge comes from unexpected quarters. Our children at this tender age has foreseen the grave future that awaits us if we do not mend our ways. So, let's ponder upon this impactful message they have delivered. Ladies and gentlemen, we are immensely pleased to welcome Mrs. Satyavati, Mrs. Aarti Kumar, Mrs. Neena Kumar, Mrs. Sharda Swaroop, and Mr. Saurabh Swaroop. Thank you so much all for sparing time. Your presence has added grace and grandeur to the occasion. One of the joys of teaching is drawing academic, creative, enterprising, and sporting potential out of pupils. So for the next few minutes, I would like to talk about attainment and achievement. Now, to do the honors, may I have the privilege to invite our chief guest, Mr. Kapildev Agarwal, Minister of State, Government of UP, to kindly escalate the determination of winners by accolading them with the awards. And I request our valued director and revered principal to escort. 1819 from class 8. First position was secured by Akshi Jain from class 8A. Big hand everyone, they are the position holders. You should appreciate them, you should motivate them. Second position holder was Anmol Agarwal from class 8B. A huge round of applause for Anmol too. And third position was secured by Swasti Jain from class 8A. Well done everybody. Now we have the winners from class 7. And who secured the first position from class 7A was Diya Gupta. Second position holder was Vaibhav from class 8B. Can we have a big hand for Vaibhav? He's a volunteer too. Now third position was secured by Anant Jindal from class 8 7A. Now we have the winners from class 6. First position holder was Vrinda Garg from class 6C. Second position was secured by Shivangi Garg from class 6B. And third position holder was Anant Jain from class 6B again. Now we are having the winner of class 5. And first position was secured by Ansh Bindal from class 5th A. Third position holder was Preksha Jain from class 5th C. Big hand for all of them. The thunder should not stop. Now we have the winners from class 4. Hardik Agarwal secured first position in class 4C. Harshal Gupta secured second position from class 4th B. Now Harshal is on the stage. Big hand everybody, thunder should not stop at any cost. They have poured their hard work. And third position holder was Parv Jain from class 4th B. Congratulations everyone. Now from class 3rd, first position was secured by Tanmay Garg from section B. Second position holder was Adya Malik from class 3rd A. Third position holder was Pratyaksh Balyan from class 3rd C. Big hand for Pratyaksh. Now we have the prize holders from class 2nd, and from class 2nd, first prize goes to Kavya Singh from class 2nd B. Kavya is an all-rounder in our school. Big hand for him. Second position was secured by Sneha Kaushik from class 2nd A, a young anchor and a prize winner too. And third position was secured by Avyansh from class 2nd B. Thunder should not stop. Please give them all a very big hand. Now from class 1st, first prize was secured by Lakshya Goyal from class 1st B. Big hand for Lakshya everybody. We have such a huge gathering and I cannot hear it. Second position was secured by Tejas Pawar from class 1st C. Now Tejas is on the stage. He was from class 1st C and he secured second position. And third position was secured by Arsh Gulati from class 1st B. Now for all of them, the hugest round of applause. Everybody should hear, hugest. I want everybody to clap.
Now we're going to announce the result of Best House in Sports and Activities 2018 and Best Student 2018. Before announcing, let me apprise you all that we have 4 houses: Ganga, Jamuna, Krishna, Kaveri. And we're going to give the award to the one who has shown the best performance throughout the year. For the Best House in Sports and Activities, the trophy goes to Ganga House. A very big hand. May I now request Ms. Poonam Taneja, House Coordinator, along with her team members, Ms. Indu Bala, Mr. Sham Goyal, Ms. Princy Jain, Ms. Pooja Gambhir, Ms. Anubha Arora, Ms. Sangeeta Sharma to come on the stage. I must say, ladies and gentlemen, they all have worked so hard to bring their house on the top position. So yes, they need a big round of applause. This is something, the most desirable moment for a teacher, to get appreciated and valued for the work which they do for their students. We can see the happiness on their face. So I must say, it deserves a big hand once again. Congratulations to the team of Ganga House for this appreciable achievement.
And for other houses, get up. This moment should be captured and should be cherishable throughout the life. That is why it is taking a bit time. So keep clapping. It's the time for the most desirable moment in student's life, that is, being the best student of the school. Best Student Award 2018 goes to Anmol Agarwal, Class 9A. A very, very big hand. Best Student of the Year really means something. Congratulations Anmol and to the proud parents. Your endeavor has brought this award to you and you have set an example for others. We wish you all the very best for your future and keep up the good work. Once again, a big hand for the best student. Thank you so much, sir. It gives me immense pleasure to request our chief guest, Mr. Kapidev Agarwal, Minister of State, Government of UP, to acquaint us with your invaluable thoughts and visions.
जब ये बच्चे इतना सुंदर कार्यक्रम प्रस्तुत कर रहे थे, तो जितनी शानदार तालियां आपकी होनी चाहिए थी, उतनी आवाज़ नहीं आ रही थी।
तालियां।
हाँ, तो मुझको लगा कि मेरे मन में ये बात आई कि गार्जियंस जो बच्चों के मम्मी पापा हैं, वो अपने अपने बच्चे को ढूंढने के चक्कर में और उसकी परफॉर्मेंस देखने के चक्कर में ताली बजा रहे हैं मुझे। एक बार जोरदार तालियां सब बच्चों के लिए। आदरणीय नीरज जी, आदरणीय शोभाष प्रकाश जी, आदरणीय आकाश जी, चंचल मैडम, माना मैडम और हमारी सी के जैन साहब की बेटी आरुषि, आज पहली बार आपसे मुलाकात हुई। पापा का प्रतिनिधित्व करना शुरू कर दिया आपने, अच्छा लगा।